Okay guys, in this video I want to talk a little bit about a big mistake that I see a lot of accounts making on Twitter and what you can do to avoid this mistake. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to just head on over to Twitter, and I've got a couple of profiles already pulled up here. And as you can see, we've got James, aka Mr. Side Hustle. He's got a really nice profile picture and a good banner. And obviously, you know, as soon as you see his picture and his banner, you know that this is somebody who talks about side hustles. And his bio actually comes right on out and, you know, obtain a fresh perspective, learn how to think differently, no more 9 to 5, more income streams, learn more now. And he's got a link right here. And he's also done a good job by putting a pinned tweet here, 14 motivational quotes to inspire you to be successful. So we're just going to click on this link and we're going to head on over to his card site that he's got set up. And life is what you make it. If you're looking to earn online, below are some legit resources. And he's got some courses here that are affiliate links. I'm sure that they're affiliate links. If you click on any of these links, you'll get paid a commission. He'll get paid a commission if you buy one. That is the entire essence of affiliate marketing. And so he's got all the resources here that he recommends. But one thing that he is missing is an email sign-up form. There's nowhere here where you can sign up to join his email list. If we skip ahead over to the next account, we've got Fiona, the millennial money woman, and she's got a huge following, and she writes about financial strategies to help you achieve millionaire status. And she goes ahead here and puts a link into her website. And so let's just go take a look at her website. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with having a link to your website. Fiona has a great website. She has very informative articles, and I highly recommend giving her a follow and checking out her website. But nowhere at the top of this website is there a place to sign up for her email list. You actually have to scroll all the way down past the articles and join her email list at the very bottom. So if there was one piece of advice that I could give Fiona, it would be to take this email sign up form and move it above the fold. So as soon as you come to her website, maybe she could have a little hero image here and the sign up form over here to sign up for a free email course or download a free guide or just some other kind of incentive to get people to sign up on her email list. Because as you can see, she's got tons of social proof. She's been featured in Forbes and FinCon and this drop shipping website Oberlo. So I mean, she's got a lot going on for her. I know she has her own product and everything, but she's making a really big mistake by making it just a little bit more difficult for people to sign up for her email list so that she can continue to market her products and so that she can continue to market affiliate products to her subscribers. So those are just a few, that's just a few cases that I'm showing you right now of people that really aren't utilizing the use of an email list or building an email list on Twitter, and they're leaving a massive amount of money on the table. Only 1%, I think it's actually less than 1% of your Twitter followers will see any given tweet that you send. The shelf life of a tweet, I think, is something like 15 minutes. Compare that to building an email list where 30% to 50% or even more of your subscribers will click on an email, open it up, and read it. That's the difference in affiliate sales that you're missing out on. You're missing out on 49% increase in making an affiliate sale and selling a product to one of your customers. So definitely do not neglect starting an email list, and definitely do not push it off any longer than you have to. I would recommend plugging in a link to join your email list as soon as you start on Twitter. From 0 followers, you don't need a big following to start an email list and start building an audience that you can start selling to and marketing to right away. And inside Tweet and Profit, I have an entire video on email marketing, and I have some bonus videos also coming out on email marketing and how to make the most of email marketing on Twitter. So if you're not inside Tweet and Profit, click the link below in the description and sign up. It's only $9, and it has 17 videos, and a growing library of bonus videos are coming. And plus, it comes with a private Discord community that I'm going to be launching in the near future. So definitely join if you want to start to make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing on Twitter. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, hit subscribe, and give me a follow, and boost me up into YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you again soon.